The Chevening scholarships offer a transformative opportunity for exceptional emerging leaders worldwide to pursue a one-year master's degree in the United Kingdom. As these scholarships are fully funded, they grant recipients the freedom to concentrate on their professional aspirations while maximizing a truly enriching experience. Throughout the year spent living and studying in the UK, scholars can expect not only academic and professional growth, but also extensive networking, cultural immersion, and the establishment of enduring positive relationships with the UK. The comprehensive coverage includes the payment of tuition fees, economy travel to and from the home country, an arrival allowance, visa application costs, a departure allowance, contribution to TB testing where required, a travel top-up allowance, and a monthly stipend to cover accommodation and living expenses. The stipend amount varies based on the location of study, with rates subject to annual review. Eligibility for the Chevening Scholarship involves certain prerequisites. Applicants must possess a minimum of 2 years of work experience, which can include full-time and part-time employment, voluntary work, paid or unpaid internships, and relevant work completed before, during, or after undergraduate studies. The work experience requirement doesn't need to be met through a single period of employment. Candidates can submit up to 15 different employment periods to fulfill this criterion. Current employment need not be relinquished to apply for the scholarship, but communication with employers is advised, ensuring their support if selected. To be considered for a Chevening scholarship, candidates must adhere to specific eligibility criteria. They must be citizens of a Chevening-eligible country, commit to returning to their home country for a minimum of 2 years after completing the award, have fulfilled the prerequisites for entry into a postgraduate program at a UK university, possess a minimum of 2 years of work experience, apply to 3 eligible UK university courses, secure an unconditional offer from one of these choices, and meet additional citizenship and employment requirements. The scholarship is not open to individuals affiliated with certain British governmental bodies, and exceptions are made for those holding refugee status in eligible countries. Navigating the Chevening scholarship application process successfully requires careful consideration and strategic planning. To help you make the most of this exceptional opportunity, here are some valuable tips to enhance your chances of securing this prestigious scholarship. 1. Broaden your focus beyond personal goals. The Chevening Scholarship transcends individual advancement. It seeks individuals with a panoramic vision of education. Recognize that this opportunity is not merely a means to propel your own career, but a platform to harness the acquired knowledge for the betterment of your home nation. As a Chevening scholar, you become a representative not only of the scholarship but also of your country. The program places a steadfast emphasis on scholars returning to their home countries upon completing their studies, ensuring a minimum commitment of 2 years of work. And in doing so, you undertake the role of an ambassador for both Chevening and your homeland. 2. Adhere to defined timeline. The Chevening scholarship selection process follows a carefully designed timeline set by the Foreign Commonwealth Office. It's crucial to adhere to this timeline. To stay updated, connect with Chevening's social media channels that provide vital information and updates. Also, manage your travel plans wisely, as certain stages, like interviews and pre-departure briefings, require your in-person participation. 3. Thoroughly research your course selection. Invest substantial time and effort in thorough research as you explore the array of available courses and institutions. The range of options permits you to apply for 3 similar courses at different universities or 3 distinct courses at a single institution. Remember that any accredited UK university providing a 1-year taught postgraduate program leading to a master's degree is eligible. Your selected courses should harmonize seamlessly with your professional goals and career progression ambitions. 4. Craft persuasive and distinct essays. Your application essays hold significant sway. Approach them with resolute conviction and thoughtful consideration. Instead of rehashing common points, strive to uncover unique perspectives on the topics. For instance, in essays about leadership, go beyond listing attributes. Delve into the profound influence that effective leadership can exert on nurturing human capital growth. Being concise with examples is crucial, adapting your responses to stay within word limits. Ensure your post-study aspirations align with UK initiatives in your home country relevant to your field of study. 5. Embrace authenticity and uniqueness. Authenticity stands as the cornerstone of your application. Resisting the temptation of outsourcing your essay composition is crucial, for your interview will pivot around the assertions you make in your essays. Additionally, shun repetitive answers. While the essay prompts might be thematically linked, aspire to make each essay complementary to the others, cultivating a coherent narrative. Chevening's objective is to fathom your identity holistically, delving beyond qualifications. Hence, your essays should encapsulate your genuine experiences and aspirations. 6. Articulate transitions in career trajectory. If you're considering a shift in your academic path, being prepared to offer a clear and compelling explanation is essential. Highlight the benefits of this change for your future, detailing how you plan to navigate this transformation. Utilize your academic and professional history to paint a comprehensive picture of the journey leading to this decision. This portrayal should emphasize thorough reflection and alignment with your overarching goals. 7. Choose referees with acumen. The individuals you designate as referees wield a pivotal influence on your application. Opt for individuals who possess a profound understanding of your competencies, experiences, and potential. While conventionally one academic and one professional reference are favored, the provision of 2 professional references, if they can offer richer insights, is acceptable. Initiate contact with your referees well in advance, as their letters of recommendation must be submitted before your interview. 8. Fulfill language qualification standards if applicable. Depending on your circumstances, providing evidence of language proficiency might be requisite. Mastery of these prerequisites and timely submission of the mandated documentation are imperative. Should you intend to undertake language qualification examinations post the conditional offer, meticulous planning is indispensable, guaranteeing that the results are procured within the stipulated timeline. 9. Prioritize early submission. To avoid the perils of procrastination, prioritize completing your application early, positioning yourself well ahead of the deadline. As the culmination date approaches, the online application system might encounter slowdowns or technical glitches. Early submission mitigates the risk of encountering these impediments, ensuring your application reaches its destination punctually. 10. Embrace community engagement. The Chevening Selection Committee values candidates who actively engage with their communities. Volunteering, participating in extracurricular activities, or launching initiatives that drive positive change underscore your commitment to making a tangible impact. These endeavors exhibit a well-rounded personality and demonstrate that you are not solely driven by personal ambitions, but also by a genuine desire to contribute to the greater good. 11. Network with alumni. Establish connections with Chevening alumni within your country. Their first-hand experiences and insights can offer valuable guidance in navigating the application process. Moreover, alumni might be willing to provide you with letters of recommendation, offering a unique perspective on your potential and character. 12. Believe in your potential. The Chevening Scholarship is highly competitive, but it is attainable if you believe in yourself and your abilities. The selection committee is looking for individuals with the drive, passion, and potential to create positive change. If you possess these qualities, coupled with a well-prepared application, you enhance your likelihood of securing the scholarship. Lastly, maintain a positive outlook. While the path to the Chevening Scholarship can be challenging, maintaining a positive attitude is paramount. It's important to understand that not winning in the first attempt does not equate to failure. Many successful applicants had to refine their applications over multiple attempts. Stay persistent, learn from each attempt, and keep refining your application until you achieve success. By following the tips, you can confidently navigate the process, increasing your chances of securing this prestigious award. Remember, Chevening isn't just financial. It's about creating a network of changemakers. Embrace the advice to join a community dedicated to impacting the world. Whether it's your first attempt or a second, stay positive, believe in yourself, and strive for success. Seize this incredible opportunity to become a Chevening Scholar. Best wishes in your pursuit and creating a global impact. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on scholarship opportunities worldwide.